Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift and remove your truck's bed and uninstall the rear shock. Cut off the rivets holding the factory shock mount in place. You should not need to make any cuts on the frame rail itself. Step 3. Use a hammer and punch to clear the rivet holes. Step 4. Using the included hardware, bolt the replacement shock mount in place and tighten it down with an impact and wrench. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the rear shock, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.